Also known as customer analytics, CRM analytics refers to the process of interpretation of data that resides in your CRM database to gain valuable insights that may impact your business decisions. The overall purpose of CRM analytics for businesses is to understand customers better, improve customer service, and sell them as effectively as possible. Many businesses are relying on customer relationship management, CRM, software to form and maintain long-term relationships with customers. However, understanding customers has become a complex task with a large amount of data being generated every day that has to be collected and analyzed. With the ever-changing market environment and customer behavior, predicting customers have become difficult for businesses. Organizations must adapt to the changing customer patterns quickly. Therefore, having a customer relationship management (CRM) system integrated with analytical tools is the best option to gain better customer insights. How can CRM analytics help business organizations? Many businesses are considering investing in customer relationship management (CRM) software to collect, store and act on customer data to enhance customers' experience. The following are the ways in which customer analytics helps businesses. Provides a clear customer journey. Customer analytics provides a clear layout of the customer journey so that businesses can quickly follow and act upon it. The customer journey starts instantly and may be significantly longer when it comes to making large purchases from your business. Therefore, it is crucial for a business to have software that can allow the marketing and sales team members to manage the customer's journey closely. Having the right CRM software helps organizations identify areas of buying signals in the customer journey and track the key metrics to understand the satisfaction rate of consumers. This leads businesses to improve their selling process and nurture customer relationships. Provides insights on customer retention strategies. CRM analytics provides businesses with insights on customer satisfaction by picking the positive and negative signals based on the customer actions. Tracking open cases and inbound and outbound calls reveals if a customer is getting service worth their money or running into an issue. Both the actions of the customer requires a response from the team but with a different approach. Therefore, it is essential to analyze these signals based on customer analytics and make further efforts to satisfy customers and retain them. Indicates change in lead status. The key indicators in the customer's journey indicate a customer's desire to disinterest or move away from purchasing your product. Therefore, consider getting a CRM software that provides easy access to dashboards and reports features that showcase key indicators and how they impact the business. Therefore, businesses need to focus on getting a CRM that tracks critical elements such as touchpoints, website visits and social media engagements with the right analytics and provide the right insights on customer trends. Segment your customers. Customer analytics helps businesses divide customers into different segments, especially if it's in the startup stage. While all the customers have common traits, splitting them in different segments help you sell customers more efficiently. Using CRM analytics to segment customers based on customers' actions and traits, including purchase history, industry and support requests, helps businesses market and sell their products better. Enables predictive modeling for business. Another way CRM analytics helps businesses is through predictive modeling, which predicts data outcomes. Businesses can determine the likelihood of future success or failure by analyzing the custom data. Organizations need to have access to as much customer data as possible to use the predictive model effectively and analyze insights from various customer interactions a lot more effectively. A customer who experiences a positive interaction with your company is more likely to return to your business. Therefore, gaining insights from CRM analytics to improve customer experience has become one of the primary goals for most businesses. Conclusion: regardless of the industry vertical or the size of the enterprise, it has become necessary for businesses to have customer relationship management (CRM) software integrated with data analytics to spot developing customer trends and identify new business opportunities. Therefore, businesses need to invest in the right CRM software to provide better customer service with the changing CRM trends and ever-evolving dynamics of the market conditions. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.